Land surveyors play a crucial role in the development and design of a community or city. Their expertise is essential in ensuring that land is properly measured, boundaries are accurately determined, and construction projects are carried out in compliance with local laws and regulations. In Ahamedpur Chauroli, a land surveyor named Mr. X has been providing his services for several years. His knowledge and experience have made him a trusted professional in the field. Mr. X, the land surveyor in Ahamedpur Chauroli, has built a reputation for his meticulous attention to detail and accuracy. He understands the importance of conducting thorough surveys to gather precise data about the land. This information is crucial for various purposes, such as property planning, real estate transactions, and infrastructure development. Mr. X utilizes advanced surveying equipment and techniques to ensure that his measurements are precise and reliable. One of the key areas where Mr. X excels is in SCON design. SCON design refers to the creation of detailed maps and plans for the construction of roads, buildings, and other structures. These designs serve as blueprints for architects, engineers, and contractors to follow during the construction process. Depending on the project scope, Mr. X may need to conduct topographic surveys, boundary surveys, or a combination of both to create accurate SCON designs. In his role as a land surveyor in Ahamedpur Chauroli, Mr. X works closely with other professionals involved in the construction industry. This collaborative approach ensures that all parties are on the same page regarding land boundaries, elevation levels, and other critical factors. By working together, they can ensure that projects are completed efficiently and within the agreed-upon specifications. X has become a trusted professional in his field. Land surveyors are essential to the planning and growth of any community or metropolis. In order to ensure that building projects are carried out in accordance with local rules and regulations, their experience is crucial for ensuring that land is properly surveyed, boundaries are precisely identified, and they are done so. There is a land surveyor by the name of Mr. X has been offering his services for a while. Being an expert in the field is a result of his knowledge and experience. Mr. the land surveyor in Ahamedpur Chauroli, X, has established a reputation for his exacting accuracy and attention to detail. He is aware of the significance of conducting exhaustive surveys in order to obtain accurate information about the terrain. The construction of infrastructure, real estate transactions, and property planning are just a few of the uses for which this information is essential. To ensure that his measurements are accurate and trustworthy, X uses cutting-edge surveying tools and methods. A significant area where Mr. in SCON design, X excels. SCON design is the process of producing precise maps and designs for the construction of